Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Tori and I am back with another video. I'm really excited because I am doing a collab today where we all do different Disney looks. So yeah, I am currently going to be doing Aladdin Magic Carpet for my Disney character. I wanted to do something a little bit different and I am definitely 100% drawing inspiration for my look I found on Google. It's not the exact same, but I did draw inspiration from it, so all credit to whoever decided to create this look. But I'm really excited. If you check in the description, there will be a link with a playlist with all of the Disney looks in them. So if you want to check those out, I highly, highly recommend it. These are some talented ladies, and I can't wait to watch the videos myself. So yes, before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I make a new video. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment if you want to. It really helps out my channel. So now we are just going to jump into the video. Okay guys, so as usual, I have my first eye done so that you have an idea of what it looks like, and now we are going to do this eye and also the lips. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is literally using every single one of my palettes to make this purple because I don't have like a purple palette specifically. So the first color I'm going to be taking is Controversy from Mini Controversy, so this little purple. And I'm not going to like be trying to purposely go up to my brow. I'm just going to be doing the lid with a little bit in the crease because it'll probably end up blending on its own and getting up there, as you can see on this side. So I am just taking Controversy and I'm getting a nice base coat of that on my lid and in my crease. Okay, so once you have a thin base of that, I am going to be taking my Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette, and it's also called Boss Mood, so either name. And I'm going to be taking this purple right here. It's like a sparkly, pretty bright purple. And I am just going to be going on top of the first purple. Then I am going to be going in with, of course, my favorite shade from Blue Blood, Miss Blue Monday. Blue Monday has a habit of looking purple, so I thought I would try her out, and it actually looks good. Like it just darkens the purple to make it more of the shade that I want. So I am going to be just putting Blue Monday on top of the purple base. Okay, so that is your purple base. Now I am going to brighten things up a bit. So I'm going to be taking Conspiracy palette, and I'm going to be using Diet Cola. And I am just going to be taking my finger for this. My fingers are purple because I just dyed my hair purple, so you just, yeah, mind your business. It'd be like that sometimes. So I am just going to be taking Diet Cola and patting a nice layer on the middle portion of my eye, and then I'm going to go back in with that same brush and just blend it a tiny bit on the edges so it's not quite as aggressive. And I'm going to do that 1 or 2 times until it is as sparkly as I like. Yes. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the eyeliner. This is going to be fun. This is going to be a good time. Yeehaw. So I don't have a ton of brushes, so I'm going to be reusing a lot of the same brushes and just cleaning them off. Just FYI. So I am going to be taking I Gotta Go from the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson collection, and it is the Velour liquid lipstick. And I am going to be taking this brush and swiping it, making sure that it's a thin line so it's not going to be super smudgy, so it's just like, yeah, it's kind of hard to explain. And then I am going to be drawing out eyeliner. And it's okay if your wing is a little big because we have a lot to put on it. And I mean, this whole look is pretty much based off of the wing, so it's okay. Be a little extravagant. Okay, so once you have your wing, you are going to take the Conspiracy palette and Just a Theory, which is this one right here, or any shimmery gold that you have. This is the closest shade to gold that I have, surprisingly. I don't know where all my gold palettes went. So I am just going to be patting that on top of the gold to give it more of a shimmery look, and to kind of set it a little bit, just in case. Okay, and now I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, which is in black, the shade, oh, it's in the shade Jet Black, and I am just going to be, oh goodness, Sophia! Dogs are ready for me to leave and go back to school. They don't want me here. They're tired of me. And I am just going to be putting little dots and designs on my eye. They don't have to be like anything precise because like the look we're going for is just kind of vibing. So I'm just going to do dots and lines. Okay. And once we have those, I am going to take, where is it? Are You Filming, which is also from the Jeffree Star and Shane Johnson collection, and it's another Velour liquid lipstick. And I am going to be taking this brush, and I'm just going to put almost little like swatches on my eye, like paint swatches. It's just to add a little bit of red because in the movie it's red, gold, and black. So, gonna do that. Okay, and once you have the red, we are going to go back in with our eyeliner and outline the gold. The gold liner. There we go. And we are going to quickly let that dry. So once that is dry, we are going to go back in and we are going to make the little tassel from the magic carpet. If you didn't know, that's kind of the vibe we're going for here. So I am going to put a little dot right on the edge to make it look like the beginning of the tassel. And then I'm just going to draw
Evie.
a couple little strands. And that is going to be our tassel. So after that, you are done with the eyeliner, and it is time to move on to putting your false lashes on. If you are like me and you use magnetic lashes, it's a bit of a challenge because we're going to have to put eyeliner on with all this without messing it up. So I'm going to be taking my magnetic gel liner, as always, and I'm going to very carefully use this brush again. Dip it in there, and I'm going to make as thin of a magnetic line as possible, hugging my lashes really close so that I don't completely mess up all the work I just did. Okay, so there is a couple places where it's a little too dark for my liking, so I'm just going to go back in with the gold and do a little bit of dotting so that it looks like it's meant to be like that. Now I'm going to go back in with my liner to make sure that the outline is straight and the gold I just put in didn't cover it. Okay, while that is drying, we are going to be doing our eyebrows just like normal, nothing fancy. So I'm just going to fill that in. So once that is dry, it is time to put your lash on. So just stick that. Oop, sorry guys, my lighting's in the way. So just stick that on your lash. Now it is time to go back in and brighten things up a bit. I am going to be using Ranch from the Controversy palette, aka the whitest white I have ever used. And I'm just going to put that on my brush and highlight my brow a little bit. And then I am going to go back to Mini Controversy and take Flat Earth, which is this very bluish white color. And I am just going to take my finger and do my inner corner. And then I'm going to take My Boyfriend's Purse, which is this color, and go over Flat Earth. And once that is done, I am going to be taking I Gotta Go one last time, and I'm going to be drawing under my lid and just patting it out to make it look a little more natural so that it's not quite as sticky and is more transparent. And while that is drying, I'm going to add some mascara. And I am going to go into Just a Theory with my finger again, this gold color. Also, if you have a more gold color, that would be actually a little bit better. Now I'm just going to pat that on top. I'm going to do my lower lash one last time. And that is the completed eyes. Now we just have the rest of the face and the lips to do. So, for my contour, I'm going to use Celebrity Skin from the Blue Blood palette, like I always do, because I am very pale. And I am just going to contour like usual. And then for blush, I use my Dream Bouncy blush. This is very, very old. I can't even tell you what color it is. It's Maybelline. And I am going to put this on. It's red. Okay. Hey guys, sorry about that. My camera died. What else is new? What would a video be without my camera dying? So I am just going to be putting my blush on. And now it is time for highlight, so I am going to take the same highlight I always use, my Becca Champagne Pop, the classic highlight. Okay. Now that the highlight is done, it is time to move on to our lips. which are a bit complicated, but we're going to, you know, do it anyway. So, I'm going to go in with a color like this, and then I'm going to put eyeshadow over it. So I'm just going to use this as a base. You can also use concealer. Okay, so once that is on, I am going to get Mini Controversy back out, and I'm going to be using Controversy, the purple shade. So I'm just going to take my brush and tap that on. It might be easier to just use my finger. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to use my finger because it works a lot faster if we do that. If you have a dark purple lip color, that's honestly a better idea. But I don't, so we're improvising here. Nice. So once the purple shade is on, go ahead and clean up around your lips. And then I'm going to be going in with my NYX, it's hashtag This Is Everything lip oil. And I'm just going to cover my lips with this to give it a little bit of a blue metallic look. And also to keep the eyeshadow on. Okay, so once that is on, we are going to go in with Jeffree, his I Gotta Go, for our lips this time. And I just did a layer on top of the other two colors. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just feel like it brings the look together. Now I'm just going to clean up the outline because it came out a bit purple. And once your lips are done, that is the completed look. Hiya. So yes, that is the completed look. Now we are going to go into a little montage. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the playlist with all the other Disney looks on the collab. Hit that notification bell if you want to, and then you can be notified every time I make a video. Leave a comment telling me what you thought of this look, and don't forget to like. My ears are purple because I just dyed my hair. Okay. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.